we are discussing about determinants. Now in this video maximum we are discussing about the determinants problems and also included adjoint, A inverse, like that. Okay. Right. The first one, determinant of 24, 25, 26, 25, 26, 27, 26, 27, 27 is equals to 0, minus 1, 1. Okay. Now here we have big numbers, yes or no? That's why I can apply the properties of determinants. Okay. I have to try to convert into the single digits like this by applying operations R1 is R2, R3, yes or no? So in the place of R2 I can write R2 minus R1, and also in the place of R3, R3 minus R2. Okay. Now that one becomes as a, here R1 is as it is, yes or no? 25 minus 24 is a 1, also 1 and 1 clearly. In the place of R3 equals to R3 minus R2, 1, 1, 0, simply. Okay. Then that equals to, now we have single digits and also ones, zeros. Okay. So 24 into, now expand it, 24 into 0 minus 1 minus 25 into 0 minus 1 plus 26 into 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. Now it is a minus 1. Then minus 24 plus 25 plus 0. Okay. That is the 1. Okay. Our answer is third one. Okay. Now second one. Here one matrix is given. A equals to 5, 5 alpha, alpha, 0 alpha, 5 alpha, 0, 0, 5. If A square equals 25, then modulus of alpha, then alpha equals what? Okay. It is not a det, it is a, because of it is a scalar, so that's why it is a modulus. Now first of all we can find the determinant of A, then that equals to then 5 into, let us do this one. For this one we have, okay, for 5, for this corresponding row we have only one, that is 5 into 5 alpha minus 5 alpha, 5 alpha minus 0, then it is a 25 alpha. Okay. Det A equals 25 alpha. Now A square equals what? A square equals to, now A square equals, shall I write? Det A square equals to det A into det A is nothing but 25 alpha into 25 alpha. Now 625 alpha. Okay. A square equals what? 25. Okay. Then 25 is, then alpha equals to 1 by 25. Okay. Then what does alpha equals to? 1 by, so it is a alpha square. Now alpha square equals 1 by 25, then modulus alpha equals to 1 by 5, positive, yes or no? Okay. Because of alpha equals to, we have plus or minus 1 by 5, so modulus of alpha equals to 1 by 5. The option is fourth. Okay. A square equals to given actually 25. Okay. Let us see more problems. Same, by applying properties of determinants we can solving. First of all we try to write to the single digit simplified. Okay. Let R1, R2, R3 we know clearly. In the place of R2, same like previous problem, R3. In the place of R2, R2 minus R1, and in the place of R3, R3 minus R2. Okay. Maximum R1 is as it is in all, x plus 3, x plus 5. Okay. R2 minus R1. That means x plus 4 minus of x plus 2. So x minus 2. 4 minus 2 is a 2. Similarly, x cancel. 6 minus 3 is a 3. 9 minus 5 is a 4. 8 minus 4 is a 4. 11 minus 6 is a 5. 15 minus 9 is a 6. Okay. Let us do direct. Okay. X plus 2 into what? 18 minus 20. 18 minus 20 minus 2. Minus of x plus 3 into 12 minus 16. 12 minus 16 minus 4. Okay. X plus 5 into 10 minus 12 minus 2. 10 minus 12. More simplification, minus 2x minus 4 plus 4x plus 4x plus 12 minus 2x minus 10. Okay. Let's simplification. 4x for 4x, 2x get cancelled, and 12, now it is the minus 14. Minus 14 plus 12 equals to minus 2. Okay. Option 4 is the answer. Okay. Let us go with the fourth one. If determinant of x power n plus 2, x power n plus 3, y power n plus 2, y power n plus 3, z power n plus 2, z power n plus 3 equals to x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z, then the value of n is either minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2. Okay. Let this type of problems can be done by taking the orders of both sides. Orders. Because of we need n. N is in order. Yes or no? Now order of LHS is what? Now order of LHS. Maximum order of LHS. Let observe. We have x power n plus 2, x power n plus 3. Definitely one time we should multiply all. Okay. So here we have n plus 2 plus n plus 3. Okay. N plus 2 plus n plus 3. And also now this side order of first expression is a 1. Order of second expression is a 1. Order of third expression is a 1. Then order of third expression, it should be minus 1, because of here we have xy plus yz plus zx by xyz, no, yes or no? Okay. Here we have the order is a 2, here 3. So 2 minus 3. Okay. That's why it is a minus 1. So 1 get cancelled. N plus n, it is a 3n. Okay. N plus n is a 3n. Now it is a 5 equals to 2. Okay. Then 3n equals to what? Minus 3. Then n equals to minus 1 is our order. Okay. Now option is first. Okay. Let us do more. Let us do more problems. If A is a square matrix such that A into adjoint A equals to 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4, then determinant of adj equals to what? Now here also we have same problem. Okay. Let us do more problems. The fifth one is, if A is a square matrix such that A into adjoint A equals to 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4, then determinant of adjoint A equals to what? 4, 16, 64, 256. And also same one, A equals to 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Then what about determinant of adj? Both are equal. Okay, 8, 16, 64, 128. Okay. Here we have one formula, that is a det of determinant of adjoint A equals to determinant of a whole power n minus 1, remember. Okay, applying this one, then first of all we can finding det A. How to get det A? Okay, we know A into adjoint A equals to here what, 4 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, yes or no, 4 into I. Then A into edge A equals to adjoint A equals what, det A into I, yes or no. So I get cancelled, then det A equals to 4. Okay, det A equals to 4, leave that. Determinant of edge A equals what, determinant of adjoint A equals to det A, here det A equals to 4, det A whole power n minus 1. Now det A is nothing but 4, n minus 1 means order. Which order? It is a 3 by 3 square matrix of order 3, 4 power n minus 3 minus 1, 4 square 16. Okay, now option is second one. Okay, next one. Okay, here also same like that. It is a det A whole power n minus 1. So first of all we have to find the det A. Then det A equals to 1 square is nothing but 1. It is a 4. It is a 9. It is a 4, 9, 16, 9, 16, 25. Okay, these all are smallest numbers. So that's why you can do indirect, not applying properties. So 1 into what? 9 into 25, 225 minus 16 into 16, 256, and minus 4 into 100 minus 9 into 16, 144, plus 9 into 16 4s are 64 minus 81. 225 minus 256, 225 less it 1, it is a 3, 31, minus 31. Now here 100 minus 144 is a 44, 4 into 4, 16, 16 is a 17, okay, minus into minus plus, and here also 81 minus 64 is a 17, 17 9s are 153, 153, okay, then it is a minus 153. 153 minus 31 should be 4, it is a 8, 184 minus 176, okay, it is a 8, minus 8. So det A equals to minus 8. Then what about that? Det A whole power n minus 1 equals to minus 8 whole power 3 minus 1 equals to minus 8 whole square equals to 64. Okay, our option is 64. Okay. Okay, let us do more problems. If one of the roots of given determinant of 3 5x 7x 7 x 5 3 equals 0 is minus 10, then the roots are, okay, now in this option which two? Okay, let us do the given. In the place of r1 equals to, shall I apply r1 plus r2 plus r3? Okay, that one becomes how? 3 plus 7 plus x, 10 plus x. Here also 10 plus x, here also 10 plus x. Remaining 7x7 x 5 3 equals to 0. Okay, clearly we know 10 plus x common, it is a one of the factor also. 1 1 1 7x7 x 5 3, okay, equals to 0. Okay, we know clearly x equals minus 2 minus 10, already we have one of the roots. Okay, and also we need more 2. Here 1 into 3 into x 3x minus 5 into 7 35. Okay, minus 1 into 3 into 7 21 minus x into 7 7x plus 1 into 35 minus x square equals to 0. Okay, let us simplify. 3x minus 35 minus 21 plus 7x plus 35 minus x square equals to 0. Okay, 35 get cancelled, minus x square plus 7x, 10x minus 21 equals to 0. After multiplying with minus, then we will get what? X square minus 10x plus 21 equals to, clearly we know it is a 7 into 3, 7 3 is a 21, 7 plus 3 10. So x minus 3 into x minus 7 equals to 0. X equals to 3 comma 7. Clearly the first option is correct. Okay. Now let us going with the eighth one. If omega is a cube root of unity, then determinant of ABC, BCA, CAB as a factor. Okay, factor is a plus b omega plus c omega square, a minus b minus c, a minus b omega square minus c omega, a plus b plus c. Now which option is correct? Okay. Now for this problem I can doing one method, that is a verification method, applying one value, any value. Okay, verification. Let us do. Suppose if a equals to b equals to c, suppose taking a equals to b equals to c, then here we have, suppose a equals to, definitely that is a, it should be 0. Yes or no? Now for right side means definitely we will get for this one in this option 1. Okay. So suppose a equals to b equals to c, or both are equal from first one. First option is a plus a omega plus a omega square equals to a into 1 plus omega square equals to, definitely it should be a into 0 is a 0. Okay, 0 is correct. Okay, leave that. Now checking more remaining. Here also a minus b minus c, suppose a, second option actually, a minus a is a. Okay, not a second one. Checking third one, a minus a omega square minus a omega. Okay, now a is a common, 1 minus omega square minus omega, it not equals to 0. Okay, now fourth one, a plus a is a 3, a not equal to 0. Okay, it should be also be should not be 0, they also 0 0. So our option is first one, it should be 0. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, please share it, please subscribe my channel. Okay, if you want any doubt, ask in comment box. Thank you.